Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the area and gathering tools. Do this now so you avoid interruptions. Use a ladder and have a helper hold the rail. This prevents dropping it. First, remove curtain weights, rings, and end caps. These expose screws or clips. Once exposed, loosen fasteners one at a time with a screwdriver or drill on low torque. Make sure to support the rail as each fastener is released, because rails are often spring-loaded or under slight tension and can shift. Now you focus on the brackets, the middle step often requiring finesse. If brackets are screw down, back out screws while your helper holds the rail. If clip in, press the release tabs and tilt the rail out. For telescoping rails, collapse to expose hidden fixings and then slide sections apart. As you detach, listen and feel for resistance. That tells you if a hidden screw or adhesive is still holding. Collect every screw and anchor in a container, so you won't lose parts needed. To finish, remove the rail completely and inspect the wall. Fill any screw holes with filler, sand smooth, and touch-up paint so the job looks clean. If the rail refuses to come free, make sure no hidden screws remain inside the rail ends, check for adhesive strips, and gently pry brackets while supporting the rail. If a bracket is bent, replace it. Once done, store the rail flat or reinstall according to instructions, and keep labeled parts together to avoid problems later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.